Can I get all these things? Very simple. Suppose, suppose, this is our memory location. Okay. Now I declared as a user underscore name. Okay. Whenever I declare like this, okay, user underscore name will be, something called declare like this. Okay. Inside this one variable, first, second, third, fourth. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 values will be stored. That means what? Suppose something called a boss is username. Okay, username. Okay, username something called 3. Oh, username 3. That means what? 1, 2, 3. That's all over. Username 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Username 10. 10 blocks or 10 racks, whatever it is. Username 20. Yes, 20. Like this. Oh, single username, we store multiple values. For that, we specify a number. That's all. Number 3, 3. Number 10, 10. Number 20, 20. Like this, a number of places will be allocated in this memory location. In a single memory, we can store multiple values. In a single memory, we can store multiple values like this. Was okay, sir, just slightly we are understanding, sir. Okay, right now, like this. Okay, suppose user underscore name, this is my variable name. Afterwards, so suppose if I declared user underscore name something called, suppose 4 friends, just like I declared like this. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. For your understanding purpose, I'm explaining you, but remaining stuff, available, upcoming. Please wait. Just for your 1, 2, 3, 4. That means what? First user, if I provide a first username something called KK will be storing inside this place. If I provide something called Rajendra user will be available in this place. If I provide Papa Rao, yes, Papa Rao user will be available in this place. If I provide Raghu user available in this place, like this. But in a before situation, not like that. This is very, very flexible model. So declaration is very, very important. If I declare like this, 4 slots will be available inside a same memory location, same memory, same variable. Yes, that means what? We can store multiple values in a single variable. We can store multiple values in a single variable. That's all. Okay. Now, for example, suppose something called address address. Okay, 2. Address 2. But how many? Yes, slots can I get, friends? How many slots can I get an address?
Two, sir.
ADDRESS?
Two, sir. Two slots.
Something called 1, 2. 1, 2. For example, 1, 2. For 1, 2 means what? Simple. Yes, address Hyderabad will be storing inside this place. Something called, yes, Bangalore will be storing inside this place. If I print the address, yes, 1 and 2 value will be printed on my terminal. First value and second value also printed. Same way. This is what a declaration. Declaration. Sir, is this correct declaration? Yes, I'll show you the exact declaration. For your understanding purpose, I'm showing you. Exact declaration is different. I'll show you each and everything. No problem. Okay, each and everything, no problem. Yes, friends. For example, friends. Okay. User underscore name, something called 4 friends. For example, 4. How many slots I can get, friends?
Four,
Four,
sir.
sir.
Four, sir.
For example, 4. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. So username KK will be storing inside this place, and Rajendra will be storing, and something called Papara will be storing, and Raghu is also storing in this area. That's all. 4. Okay, this is what user underscore name. That's all. User underscore name. Okay. Now, if I do like this, echo dollar user underscore name 4, then what happens?
4 names will be displayed, sir.
So user name dollar username 4. That means what? First time the first value will be displayed. Second time second value will be displayed. Third time third value. Fourth time fourth value will be displayed. Yes or no? That means what? Different values will be printed on the terminal. That's all. Because of this declaration, yes, because of this declaration, I can get the slats, and afterwards I can store the different values in different slats. Afterwards, I can print the different slats with the help of dollar username. But in a previous case, not like that. In a previous case, memory consumption is more and also very much difficult situation. Declaration is also very difficult. Declaration means what? I can write username 1, username 2, username 4, username 4 times. If I declare 100 times, 100. But now, if I keep 4, 4. If I keep something called, if I erase 4, I can keep something called 100. What happens, friends? 100 slots will be
Okay.
allocated. 100 slots. Okay, 100 slots will be allocated. 100 values will be stored. That's all. I can print 100 values also. I can remove 4 and I can print echo dollar user underscore name something called 100. That's all over. This is the way we need to declare the things properly, and this is the way we need to print the values properly. So if you declare like this, we can store the data like this. Okay, and if you write like this, we can print the data like this. That means what? Okay, sir. What is 1, 2, 3, sir? What is